Hi guys, it's me again. Today I've got my actual light up. Let's position it a bit. And today I'm going to show you my slime. And yeah, it's my first slime I've made. You need air freshener, PVA glue, baby powder and shaving foam. So let's get it out. I've only made a little bit, so I'm going to position my phone like that. And put the lighting down on there so you can see it properly. This is really like sticky. Let's put it down. You stretch it. Like if it gets really sticky, just put it on the counter. Let's go. So. I'm going to be doing a video of me actually making the slime, but yeah, that's all you need. So this is my slime. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but I'm going to come up with the name. Sorry guys, I'm really hyper today because I haven't seen my friend for long and she's just moved it to my class, school. So yeah. So yeah, that's my slime. Put it back in my pot. So please like, subscribe and comment down below what other videos I should do. Like, I will do how to make this slime. So yeah, bye. Please like and subscribe. And let's try and get this to 10 likes. Thank you. Bye.